Today I'm making my version of Hamburger Helper. It's not a copycat, it's just my version. I like more cheese in a box, so I created my own recipe. If you like more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section. It helps my numbers. On to the video. You will need apple macaroni. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of garlic powder. Basically, I'm using garlic powder to taste. 1 onion chopped. 1.5 pounds ground chuck. And I got a 1 pound box of Velveeta cheese. I'm going to use at least a half to 3/4 of the box of cheese. And of course, I'm going to put some milk in here too. Let's get started. I already added my ground beef, the onions, and a tablespoon garlic powder to the pan. I'll be turning on the heat. In the back burner, I got some salt to my water that I'm going to cook my pasta in. Now we turn on the burners. Now we just cook it. Had a lot of grease in it, so I drained off the grease. I did not rinse the meat. I never rinse the meat because you need fat in here. And yes, they still have some grease in here. Not as much as they did. I have the meat cooked. Now I'm going to be cooking the pasta. And I'm just dumping some in. I'm dumping like half the box in. That way we have enough pasta. I just dumped half the box in. And there's no sponsors for products mentioned or used. I just grabbed a box. I'm not brand loyal to pastas. You can use whatever brand you like. Cook it until it's done. I like mine well done, so at least 15 minutes. While pasta is cooking, now we're going to do the hamburger mixture. So we're going to be adding cheese and milk to it. I start off with half a brick of the cheese. We're going to be mixing that in over medium heat until it melts. I use Velveeta because it melts easy. And we'll add some milk to it to make sure it's nice and creamy. But it'll get going. You can even do this over low heat because you don't want to burn the cheese. You just want to mix it in. I'll add the rest of it in because I got a lot of hamburger. We break it up. Add some more milk to it. Mix it in. It becomes nice and creamy. And we'll add the pasta to it. You can see it becoming creamy. You can see it got nice and creamy. You just add enough milk to make it creamy. There's no set amount because I used the whole pound of cheese in here. If we have to add more milk to it when we add the pasta, we can, because we got enough meat in here. It'd be nice, meaty, and cheesy. This is how creamy I got it right now. Once we add the pasta, it'll be even better. I drained the pasta already. I'm just going to put some of it in there. Put like that much in there. We'll mix it in. I like mine meaty, but I still could use a little bit more pasta in there. Just a little bit more. The rest of the noodles you can actually use for another dish if you don't use it. Like melt some butter with some Parmesan cheese and throw some garlic in there. That looks good. Now all we gotta do is heat it up. You add as much pasta in it as you like. But I like mine meaty, so I added it just enough for my taste. If you want to add more pasta, you can. But this is the way I like it. You can do your own thing with it. Now, if you want to add your own garlic, the fresh one, you can even add garlic to it. I used garlic powder this time, but if you want to peel a clove of garlic and mince it and dump it in when you brown your ground beef, you can. It's nice and hot, and now it's ready to serve. This is what it looks like when it's finished. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a good day.